about it. If you go over your 50 pages, you gotta pay per page, and I think it's 15 page for $1. And they got different levels, basically. They have the $2.99. They got the free one, the $2.99, and I think they got the $4.99. The $4.99 I think is 100 pages, and I think it's pretty cool because ink cartridges are expensive. They cost a lot, especially when you print a lot. And I figure out getting this will be worth it. And I put it on my printer. First time I received the ink, I forgot to make the video, but this time I received it again. I'm almost out. They send a signal to HP when you're about to run out, and today mine came in, as you can see, and they sent me an email saying that I will be receiving it soon because they received that my ink was running low. I won't replace my ink at this moment because I still have about for a couple more pages. I'm not gonna throw them out yet, but let me get this open. But definitely, if you print a lot, you get the more expensive one, so you can have enough pages. But if the free one, I think is 15 pages or something like that, it's up to you how much you print. Oh, it comes in a little box, and as you can see, has this, say thank you, and you have your ink cartridge. My color one is running out pretty much, so they send me the color one because the color one segment signal. And now when my black ones start wasting, they will send me the black one. This also, you can send the other cartridge back, and this is my color one. It's almost out. Once it runs out, I put this one in, but I think it's pretty good. It's up to you guys. Well, just wanted to let you guys know about it and how good I think it is. Try it out. If you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. Also, if you start a higher plan, you can bring it down, but you have to wait after the month is over. Now, if you start with a lower plan and you're about to go over, you can go to a higher one and you won't have no issue. Not bad. Well, anyways, I wanted to let you guys know. Like and subscribe. Thank you.